Alright, what we got here, I'm down at my buddy Tommy's house, and you won't believe the shit that we built up in this garage here. But we just built this here thing, and I don't even know what the hell to call it. But it's his design and my welding. So I'm pretty much sure the tractor will flip backwards before my welds break. But the way it looks from here, it looks pretty damn cool. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go down here at his back 40, and we're gonna try to rake up some of the debris on the side of the pond like originally designed. So we'll follow up in a minute. You can see there putting the Martin wrench on it.
I had to do a little bit of a jet.
Yeah, he just said blah blah blah. I had to put the Martin wrench on it. Just kidding, guys. We're gonna see how this thing works here in a minute. We're gonna follow him down Lowe's back 40. Like I said, part 2. This could be fail, this could be victory. We will see. But I'm about to follow him back there in the back. Alright, he's gonna drive it. And if he swings too much, gonna take out my windshield. I better back up. This video will continue when we get down there. I think he's trying to take out some trees.
You get on down and I'll meet you down there.
Alright. Well, did it work?
Hell yeah, it was.
Did what? What happened?
Just staying right where you at.
Did it work?
We'll let you read with the dump if we had done.
That means I gotta weld more? Get on out of here! Here we go. Looks like a bad crane operator, huh? Here's a little story about a man named Jed. Went down his pond, we were getting mud instead. Hanging out, drinking some beer on a Sunday. And we ain't got no gold, we'll try again Monday. Beers, that is. Chainsaws and mud. Number 2. Well,
It worked. just going to put electric wick on it to dump the bucket.
All right, sounds good. That means I gotta weld again. Yeah, I'll weld it. I can weld a hair on a gnat's ass.
Hell, I can weld a cracked dog and a broken heart.
You know why you sleep with a welder?
Hey,
You know why women sleep with welders? Because they got a big hot rod and they know how to penetrate.
what do you call it? What do you call a drummer with no girlfriend?
A drummer.
Yeah.